Hello everyone and welcome. I have some recorded news footage of what I believe is a humanoid of some type. He has a hologram interruption. We're going to take a look at it and I'll show you why. These are only my opinions of these images. Now the image quality here is the way it is because he's on his webcam sitting in his office. He's not in a studio. So here's the real-time footage. And a little closer in slow motion. The thing with this person here, his mouth starts to shift. But the real thing that we want to look at is this side of his face. So I'm going to go through it and really just keep an eye on the side of his face. I'm just going to play through it. These things pop out of his neck, or I mean out of his face. Sorry. We'll take a look at that. And it's very strange looking. Very strange looking. And this little thing right here, when it fills in, this thing like kind of grows. And we'll see that when I play it again in slow motion. See how that fills in. So let's watch how that fills in. So keep an eye on the side of his face. Okay. Thank you for watching. I believe that this is some type of humanoid. It looks human but is not. I believe this is a hologram interruption here. And God bless you. Keep safe out there.